Hello everyone, I'm Amy from Amy's Acrylic Artistry. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so very much for being here today. Today I am going to be doing another cloud swipe on a 12 by 12 canvas. Been doing some smaller canvases lately and really enjoying that. If you really enjoy this video, I would love if you would subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you would hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. I also love to hear what my viewers think, so make sure you leave me a comment down below. And with that, let's get painting. Okay, and here we are. I'm just painting the sides and the corners of my canvas, which of course brings it up onto the top of the canvas just a little bit, but it gets the coverage that's required for this piece for when I'm tilting the rest of the piece off the canvas. So I'm just laying down my cloud mix. I do have a video. I will post it at the very end of this piece. I will have all of the colors listed down below in the description that I used as well.
And here we are with the close-up. I love how this cloud mix creates those beautiful cells, and these colors really combine so beautifully. They create a whole new shade of the purple and the pink. I love, 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 and just the shimmer in this piece is so beautiful. I really love how this raspberry pink has popped through with its cells. I forgot that it really likes to take over, so there is a lot of this berry color throughout this piece, but like I said, these colors combine absolutely beautifully, and when they slide over top of that cloud mix, oh, it's just so absolutely gorgeous. I am so happy with this piece. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love if you would do so, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thank you so very much for watching. Have a great day and a great week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!